Can your painter repair or replace damaged crown molding or special trim details? Can your painting contractor perform restoration quality woodworking? The answer is yes if you are working with SFW Painting. We can help you plan and execute a full historic or vintage restoration. Our construction division is staffed with the region's premier carpenters. All our carpenters are SFW employees, not subcontractors. Clients today want one company that can handle every aspect of their project. Make sure your contractor has a solid plan in place to take care of all your needs.